Hello students, let's start chapter 5, Primary Activities. Before I go with the primary activities, let me explain what are economic activities. So, activities like farming, lawyers, police, labor workers, taxi driver, doctors and nurses, teacher, banker, all human activities which generates income are known as economic activities. Now, economic activities are broadly divided into 4 sectors: primary activities, secondary activities, tertiary activities, and quaternary activities. So today we'll only focus on primary activities. Now, what are primary activities? Primary activities are those activities which are directly dependent on environment because they make use of Earth's resources like land, water, vegetation, building materials, minerals, etc. Therefore, it includes hunting and gathering, pastoralism activities, fishing, forestry, agriculture, and mining and quarrying. Due to outdoor nature of their work, people engaged in primary activities are called red-collar workers. The earliest known primary activities are hunting and gathering. Gathering is practiced in the regions with harsh climatic conditions. Earliest humans depend on nature for survival. They sustain on the edible plants and the animals which were found in their vicinity. It is still practiced among groups who depend on them for food, clothing, and shelter. They use primitive tools of stones, twigs, or arrows, so the number of animals killed was limited, though some have got extinct. Hunters are the oldest known economic activities. In modern times, some gathering is market-oriented. Gatherers collect valuable plants and after simple processing sell these in the market. Gathering is practiced in high altitude zones like northern Canada, northern Eurasia, northern fringe of Australia and interior part of Southeast Asia, Amazon basin, and tropical Africa. They use different parts of the plants, for example, barks of the tree for making quinine, tannin extract occur. Leaves are used to produce beverages, drugs, cosmetics, fibers, thatch, and fabrics. Knots are used for food and oils. Tree trunks provide rubber, palata, gum, and resins. Did you know that chewing gum is made from the milky juice of Japota tree. Now, another primary activities are pastoralism. After realizing that hunting and gathering is unsustainable in the long run, people started with the domestications of animals found in the region. Depending on the geographical factors and technological development, animal rearing today is practiced either at the sustainable level or commercial level. It is therefore are two types. They are nomadic herding and commercial livestock rearing. Nomadic herding, which is also called pastoral nomadism, which is a primitive subsistence activity in which herders rely on animals for food, clothing, shelter, food, and transport, and move from one place to another depending on the amount of pasture and water available in an area. When herders move from places during seasonal changes are also known as transhumans. Example: Gujars, Gidis, Bakarwals, and Bhutias of Himalayas. Animal reared in tropical Africa, cattle are the most important livestock, while in Sahara and Asiatic desert, sheep, goats, and camel are reared. In the mountainous areas of Tibet and Andes, yak and llama, and in the Arctic and subarctic areas, reindeer are the most important animals reared. Herders' number and area are shrinking because of imposition of political boundaries and new settlement plans by government. Herding are practiced from the Atlantic shore of northern Africa eastward across the Arabian Peninsula into Mongolia and central China, tundra region of Eurasia, small areas in southwest Africa and Madagascar. Now, another types of animal rearing is commercial livestock rearing. Commercial livestock rearing is more organized than nomadic herding. It is capital intensive and is practiced in permanent ranches for commercial purposes. It regulates grazing. Ranches are divided into parcels. Number of animals depend on the carrying capacity. It is highly specialized activity. Only one type of animal is kept, like sheep, cattle, horses, goats, etc. It is industry and market oriented because the product like meat, wool, milk, leather are processed and packed scientifically and then exports. Rearing is done scientifically in commercial livestock rearing, with special emphasis on breeding, genetic improvement, healthcare, etc. Commercial livestock rearing are practiced in an area of New Zealand, Australia, South America, states like Argentina and Uruguay, United States of America, and some part of Africa and Asia. Thank you for watching.